88% of Mercedes owners are driving around every single day completely unaware of the hidden features built into their car that could save them thousands in repairs, prevent accidents, and make life dramatically easier. Today I'm pulling back the curtain on the 15 most overlooked Mercedes secrets that most dealerships never mention. These aren't gimmicks, they're real engineering details that separate Mercedes owners who just drive their car from the ones who truly master it. Stick with me because by the end of this you're going to look at your Mercedes in a whole new way. Let's dive in. Secret number 15, unlock only the driver's door. Picture this, you're walking up to your Mercedes late at night in a dimly lit parking lot. One press of the key fob and only the driver's door unlocks. The rest stay firmly locked until you hit the button a second time. This isn't some random convenience, it's a deliberate anti-carjacking safeguard that gives you those critical extra seconds to get inside and lock up before anyone else can slip in. But the real-world benefit goes way beyond safety. How many times have you unlocked the whole car only for your kids or passengers to immediately swing doors wide open and slam them into the vehicle parked next to you? That single-door unlock prevents those expensive parking lot dents and scratches that ruin your day and your paint. Secret number 14, manual mirror dipping control. You're backing into a tight parking space. The rear camera shows the big picture, but you still can't tell exactly how close your rear wheels are kissing that curb. Most drivers either play it ultra-safe and park too far out, or risk scraping a wheel. Here's the trick almost nobody uses. While revering, use the mirror adjustment joystick on your door to tilt the side mirror downward. Suddenly you get a crystal clear, real-time view of exactly where your rear tire meets the curb. This works on virtually every Mercedes with power mirrors, no special trim, no hidden menu. Just select the mirror and nudge the joystick down. A single refurbished Mercedes alloy wheel can easily cost $400 to $900. Mastering this mirror trick can save you from that hit the very first time you try it, next time you're revering. Secret number 13, hidden hold feature. Stop and go traffic has your left leg burning after 10 straight minutes on the brake. Your Mercedes has a brilliant solution most drivers press once, get confused by, and then ignore forever: the hold button on the center console. Come to a complete stop, press hold, and lift your foot completely off the brake. The car maintains full brake pressure automatically, even on a steep hill with zero rollback. It's completely separate from the parking brake or hill start assist. When you're ready, just ease onto the accelerator and it releases smoothly. Here's the expert insight: using hold in traffic actually reduces brake wear. Your foot constantly modulates pressure and creates heat cycles that wear pads and rotors faster. The system holds steady hydraulic pressure far more efficiently. Secret number 12, auto button on climate control. You jump into a scorching Mercedes, start twisting fan speed, temperature, vents, and recirculation like a DJ, and 5 minutes later you're still uncomfortable and distracted. The feature most owners overlook, that big auto button right on the climate panel. Hit it once, set your desired temperature, and the car's sensors take over everything: fan speed, air direction, recirculation, even seat heating or ventilation on equipped models. It optimizes in real time using cabin temp, sunlight, and outside conditions. Mercedes engineered this system to reach your target temperature with the absolute least energy possible. Manual fiddling almost always wastes fuel and battery. Over thousands of miles, that inefficiency adds up at the pump. Secret number 11, reset check engine light secret. The check engine light pops on and panic sets in. Dealer appointment, diagnostic fee, waiting room boredom. Before you spend a dime, try this driveway reset most owners never know about. Disconnect the negative battery terminal for 15-20 minutes. This drains residual power from the capacitors and forces the engine control module into a full cold reboot. Reconnect, start the car, and often the light clears. Many check engine lights are one-time glitches or minor sensor hiccups that never return. If it stays off, you just saved $150 $250 on a diagnostic scan. Secret number 10, start your Mercedes with a dead key. You walk up, push the start button, and nothing. Dead key fob battery, no spare, bad timing. Mercedes thought of this exact nightmare. There's a hidden inductive backup spot in the center console, often in the cup holder or armrest area. Place the dead fob right there, press the brake, and hit start. The car reads the transponder chip passively through the coil, no battery power required in the fob. Check your owner's manual for the exact spot on your model and memorize it. A dead fob should never leave you stranded in a Mercedes. Secret number 9, touch and hold the door to unlock. Hands full with groceries, kids, or gear, forget digging for the fob, simply touch and hold the sensor on the door handle. The car detects your fob in your pocket or bag and unlocks instantly. The same works for locking, touch the sensor on the outside as you walk away. This keyless entry system prevents a ton of accidental lockouts that can cost $150 $300 for roadside help. Master this and you'll never juggle items again. Secret number 8, hidden SOS button in roof. You're on a remote road, phone dead or no signal, and an emergency hits. Look up at the roof console. That SOS button connects you directly to Merced's dedicated emergency response center through the car's own built-in cellular connection. It works even if your phone is completely dead. The system sends your exact GPS location instantly, and in a crash it can activate automatically. Know exactly where that button is before you ever need it. This feature has saved lives. Make sure you're prepared to use it. Secret number 7, automatic mirror folding on lock. Narrow streets and tight garages are murder on side mirrors. Enable auto-fold mirrors in the MBUX settings under locking or mirror options. Every time you lock the car, the mirrors fold in flush. They unfold again when you unlock. The motors are built for thousands of cycles. The "it wears them out" myth just keeps dealership service bays busy. A full mirror assembly with sensors can cost $700 $600. $1 prevented clip pays for the whole feature. Turn it on and never worry about it again. Secret number 6, the hidden metal key inside your fob. Flip open that small release on your key fob and a physical metal blade slides out. It's not just for the driver's door in a total power failure. On most models it also locks and unlocks the glove box independently. Perfect for valet situations. Hand them the fob to drive but keep the glove box secure with your valuables, registration, and documents. This mechanical backup is pure Mercedes engineering thoughtfulness that most owners never discover. Secret number 5, auto-dimming rearview mirror. Night driving with glaring headlights behind you? That small green light at the base of your rearview mirror means the electrochromic layer is already working, automatically darkening the glass in real time using forward and rear sensors. It adjusts continuously and silently with 0 moving parts. Many models extend this to the side mirrors too. Leave it alone. Manually flipping it defeats the whole system. Let the tech handle glare so you keep full rear visibility every night. Secret number 4, the folding rear seat you never used. Need to haul long items but think the trunk is too small? Your rear seats fold in a 60-40 split or better on some models, creating a long, flat load floor. Many have release levers inside the trunk itself so you can drop them without opening rear doors. Some even have a center ski pass-through. This single feature has saved owners countless van rentals and awkward roof racks. Explore your specific setup. You'll be shocked how much more versatile your Mercedes becomes. Secret number 3, save more fuel with Eco Start Stop. The engine shuts off at a red light and you think something's broken. Relax, that's Eco Start Stop doing its job, cutting fuel waste during idle. Lift off the brake and it restarts instantly. The system uses reinforced components designed for constant cycling. In city driving, it can improve fuel economy by 5–8%. Many owners disable it out of habit and literally burn money. Leave it on and watch the savings add up over time. Secret number 2, the boot strap hidden in your trunk lid. Hands full after loading the trunk? Look underneath the lid for the fabric pull strap. Grab it with 1 or 2 fingers and close the lid smoothly and controlled. This isn't just convenient, it reduces stress on the latch and hinges compared to yanking from the outside edge. Anything that extends the life of that mechanism is worth using daily. Once you find it, you'll never close the trunk the old way again. Secret number 1, the hidden vertical opening bonnet. Most cars open the hood the same predictable way. But on certain Mercedes models, especially SL, AMG GT and high-performance variants, the bonnet opens vertically on a side hinge like a dramatic gull-wing panel. It gives unobstructed side access to the engine bay, engineered for serious service work. A gas strut holds it securely at any angle with no prop rod needed. Press the release and watch jaws drop. It looks like a concept car, but it's fully production reality. If you have one of these, show it off. The engineering is pure Mercedes magic. How many of these hidden features did you already know? Drop a comment below and tell me which one surprised you the most, or which one you're turning on today. If this video saved you money or made you appreciate your Mercedes even more, smash that like button and subscribe for more hidden car secrets that dealerships don't want you to know. Your next video is waiting. Click it now and keep mastering your machine. Thanks for watching. Drive safe.